produce.
I hope you like your vegetables.
Okay, we're taking the eggplant off. Yeah, I can't wait. Yeah, I need some more. Yeah, eggplant. Oh, Chef Boyardee.
I'm gonna put this plate on top of it.
Oh, I didn't see it. You gotta bring it up here.
Okay.
I want to see. I'm a critic.
Can you get that? Yeah, thanks.
That's it. There's the corn. Everything's on fire. Everything is on fire. You're waiting. Was it ready? Oh, it's ready.
So we gotta flip the chicken a little more, and that's what we like. It's kind of charcoal. And chicken, you want it. You don't want it underdone. There's now corn. See, I think I am going to turn it down. Close the door.
Yeah, baby. Oh yeah. There we go.
We're still waiting for the chicken to be done. We don't want raw. Oh, it's looking nice. A little bit of bacon around it. The corn, kind of the bacon. But you get flavors. Oh, that's hot. And we're letting it cook for a little bit longer.
Longer? Oh, I could have went through drive-through. Right by, drive-through.
This is homemade food.
Yes.
It's not on a time limit. And it's the Buddha food. Oh, well, the pepper didn't get used.
Well, rainy day.
Yeah, for another day.
Oh, rainy day. Pepper.
Okay, well, I think it's pretty getting there. It's just
getting there.
The corn looks
Where's
good.
getting?
Corn looks good.
Oh yeah, no music. Forget.
Oh, money pamio.
Oh, man, pummy. How much of corn dogs? I need corn dogs.
Bacon wrapped corn, bacon wrapped chicken, eggplant, roast potato, and
I recommend it. I recommend
toast or something.
I recommend it.
Come on, I gotta chef up some garlic toast.
Chef Boyardee. No, Chef Buddha. No dancing allowed.
No dancing, no gambling.
No girls.
Girls, yeah, no, the llama said the girls are okay.
I thought it's a sausage party. I brought my sausages. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, and then watch. Press stop.
Pause.
It stops. So you can do like 10,000 videos. You don't have to do on and off every time.
No, I'm learning the hard way. The queue. Oh, I'm waiting. What's in the queue? What's in my queue? Chef
Boyardee. Pretty good. Smelling pretty good, right? Does that smell good or what?
No, it smells like cat piss. Of course it smells good.
Don't swear.
Well, I said the urination.
So that one, we're a little worried about that one, but the rest of them are pretty well cooked, and the bacon didn't really work good. Hey.
Hey.
What do you think? Oh. First I have to check the roast potato. Then we'll plate it up and we'll... and you can have a fork and a knife and you can eat it.
You can enjoy it.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna be hungry. The homeless ghost. The hungry ghost.
I think that looks pretty good. The bacon didn't really stick to everything, but...
We'll see if we get any hits on YouTube. YouTubely. It's the homeless Q. Part 3.
Need maximum lights in here.